Welcome back, guys. Today we're here with Jaliza once again. So I'm showing you guys what I got in my package. I got a pair of wig caps. I got this light little hanger. I got a branded Jaliza headband. I got some information cards in an envelope. And then I got this bag with like a zipper. And this is today's wig. So I need you guys to know that this is a full lace, glueless boho box braided wig. And it is the very first real glueless braided wig. Okay, the very first one I'm trying. This is how the inside look. It has a curve at the ear portion. It's fully lace, as I'm showing you guys. It has combs in the inside. It's branded again on the wig, and it has an adjustable strap on the inside as well. It's pre-cut and it's pre-plucked and it's pre-bleached, all that good stuff. It's a boho knotless braided wig, as I said, and it looks amazing. I went ahead and just popped it on. This is really snugged for a braided wig. This is glueless. This is crazy. Like, you know how hard it must have been to master this because it's braids. Braids are weighty, even though these are pretty lightweight.
It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never.
It's looking good. It's looking real good. It's like the lace looks good, but you can see a hint of cast. So I'm gonna take some powder and I'm gonna, you know, conceal that further. But I cannot believe this is actually glueless. Like, all you need to do is pretty much make sure that everything looks super melted without any adhesive, and you can style this as desired. So we're gonna do some styles, but first let me do that.
Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score when I lose my breath.
Firstly, you could go ahead and you could pretty much just wear it down like this. You could, you know, do like a center part vibe, or you could do like a side part vibe. And this is so neat. Like, the wig itself, the construction is so neat. I must listen, it's Jaliza. You guys know all my braided wigs are from Jaliza, and Jaliza, they're just super professional and very experienced in the whole braided wigs category. Like, they get it. They really get it. At first, when I knew that I was gonna get a glueless braided wig, I was like, is it really gonna work? But it really is working. Let's try the security. Let me do a shake test. It is super secure. Okay, did not shift, no nothing. Like, it's a 10. Boy, they're going really hard with the glueless. Okay, but yeah, so you could go ahead and do, you know, like side, like flip over vibe. That was the basic, you know, flip over vibe. I just can't get over how this actually is glueless. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and do like 2 ponytails at the top. I'm gonna actually just use the braid itself to do this. So I'm gonna just wrap it around. Very easy. Like, you see, this video today is perfect for my beginners. Perfection. Okay, you just take one of the braid, you just wrap that around, and it doesn't have to be like a perfect bun or anything. And because you know that it's boho, so I love when the curls kind of just go a little carefree. It doesn't have to be super neat. I like undone vibe. come through braided glueless wig. Guys, isn't that cute? Isn't that cute? You could do your buns differently if you want, but I wanted that very messy look. It's giving, and I did the little two in the front. I didn't want it too close because I didn't want it to be in my eye, but that is a vibe. That's hairstyle number 2. Numero 2. It's looking good. Let me know. Jaliza. Yeah, y'all really did it this time. You guys really, I mean, you always do, but this time it's a 10. It's really a 10. It's like a 15. Okay, let's say it's a 15. It's not just a 10. Okay, because it's gorgeous. I'm just gonna do like 1 instead of 2. I'm just gonna do 1 ponytail on top. And you know what I also love, as I mentioned before, I love that the lace itself is stretchy. That's different. As I tell you guys, this is the first time I feel like I've ever tried a real glueless, like a glueless braided wig like this. It is different. I really think they did their big one with this. Okay, it sits comfortable. You see, even though it's so snugged, it's not hurting my head. It's not like too tight. It's just right because it feels very secure but not uncomfortable, you know? Yeah, with all those factors, it's definitely a win. Because look at that. And this is style number 3. This is the final style that I'm about to do. I want to do like a braid, like, you know, a simple braid to the side. Then I'm just gonna swish it around. And I'll just like take a piece, just like 2 pieces over here, and I'll get my scrunchie and tie it at the back. And that's cute. Giving scalp and all. Yeah, that's given. That is given. Yeah, that's style number 4. Okay, style number 4. It's looking very good. And just kind of taking out some of the curls and just kind of making it look even more undone. You know, you can just, my most favorite thing with these wigs, like with the upgraded boho ones from Jaliza, is the fact that they're tangleless, so you don't have to worry. But a big feature of this wig is the fact that it's stretchable, like a stretchy lace, and they got the fit right. It's a medium cap. I didn't have to cut off any. Usually, I don't know if you guys realize, but in the past I'd have to cut off a braid on the sides for it to fit perfect. This, I don't know, maybe it's because it's stretchable, so it's just like, it kind of just fits your head size, if you get what I mean, you know, without having to cut any of the lace. So that is a solid 10 for me. Solid 10 for me. The construction was well thought out. They're definitely in a league of their own with how they're coming. As I said, I don't see anybody else do this. Yeah, they're killing it. So I absolutely love that, and I highly recommend it. So if you're looking for a braided wig but you don't have all the time in the world for installation, you're not that experienced with wig installations and all of that, this is your wig. This is your wig. You guys see for yourself. Absolutely no adhesive whatsoever, not even a bit of lace bond spray. So 2 thumbs up from me. Jaliza, big up to you. Y'all did it. Guys, the direct link to this wig will be in my description box. All the specifications will be listed. It's really cute. It's really cute. But yeah, that's it for today. Oh, and if there's any sale going on, you guys know it's the season for sales. So Black Friday sale, any of that will be listed in my description box. So please go ahead, check that out. Make use of it. It's the gift. giving season, and I feel like somebody would definitely love this as a gift. I don't even have to ask you guys, but yeah, that's it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.